Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find recently watched videos on Apple TV on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and then on your home screen you want to swipe across and then go to Entertainment in the app library and open up TV. Once the TV app has opened, tap on the Watch Now tab at the bottom, and in the Up Next section it will show you all the videos that you have recently watched. Now it will show where you have watched the videos up to. So in this video it shows 25 minutes, and if you swipe across you can see other videos that you have watched recently, whether you have finished them or not. So it shows some videos that you haven't finished, and it will be lined up next in the queue. And here you can see another video, home, which I only watch a very small amount. You can see I have just watched a very small amount in the progress bar. And then you got the documentary Earth at Night in color. So that's how you can find recently watched videos in your TV app. And if you go down, all the way down to the bottom, then you can also see there is a section called recently watched, and you can see what you have recently watched, which videos it is stored in here, and you can browse through it. You can tap on the CO button to expand out with more information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.